I read in a leading Danish newspaper that the Maldives are listed as, with Saudi Arabia and a few other countries, as the second most aggressive against Christianity, and they are pursuing Christians more than any other countries. And I wonder, if you come into power again, if you are able to do something about that, to have more freedom of faith, of religion.
Yes, there has been a lot of xenophobia, Islamic, rhetoric, and a lot of intolerance going on in the Maldives. I mentioned smashing of the 12th century statue of the Buddha. These were from our pre-Islamic history. And also, we've lost a number of pre-Islamic manuscripts as well. So there is this idea of wanting to return back to Hijaz as it was in the 7th century. This is Wahhabism I think that's Wahhabism in principle. There is that idea that they want to revert us back to how it was exactly in the 7th century Hijaz. And it is difficult and it is worrying, but I hope that our society, I believe, the vast majority of them are very, very tolerant people. And I think if all this rhetoric is removed from the official discourse, then there will be a much more liberal society. And I assure you, the rhetoric will be removed from the official discourse. And I assure you, the rhetoric will be removed from the official discourse.